Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
DeMontrond wants to serve our community while protecting our valued customers and employees.
So we're announcing DeMontrond Direct for sales and service through DeMontrond.com.
Shop from home, finance from home, and have your vehicle picked up and delivered directly to your driveway.
Also, take advantage of historic customer incentives from all of our great brands.
And with DeMontrond's no questions asked 3-day return policy, your complete satisfaction is guaranteed.
And don't forget about DeMontrond's exclusive warranty forever.
DeMontrond.com, your safe and convenient auto solution.